Welcome to my YouTube channel Almarifat. Knowledge is divine and strength. Today's topic. Pick out the subjects and predicates from the following sentences. So maybe you are having the doubts, what is subject and predicates? Subject is a ruler of sentence. Predicates is something that is ruled by the subject. Example. Verb plus object equal to predicates. So no. Find the subject in this sentence. Let me help you with this. The fierce tiger is the subject, and attacked the weak deer is a predicates. This is the second sentence. I hope you can answer this. The small kitten is the subject, and scratched the window is the predicate. Brother went to the beach yesterday. Find the subject in this. My brother is the subject, and went to the beach yesterday is the predicates. Last and least, the atmosphere of the haunted house scared the boy. Here, the atmosphere of the haunted house is the subject, and scared the boy is the predicates.